Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. 6th of January 2026, Tuesday evening 6 p.m. Yogis for supporting Dhamma. Yogi for very important to know about in our mind, mental pollution. Very, very unpleasant. Also, all the good mental factor, our destination of Megaphala Nibbana. Practice in right way and gain the right destination for totally block, totally destroy, totally smash, totally pushing away these types of mind condition. I would like to explain for you.
6 Januari 2026, Kamis malam jam 6 malam. Untuk sangat penting para yogi mengerti tentang polusi mental, hal-hal yang negatif yang muncul dalam batin, yang menghalangi faktor mental yang positif, menghalangi magga phala nibbana, yang menghalangi kita menuju ke tujuan yang benar. Tujuan yang benar semakin menjauh, rusak, dan semakin hancur.
Pali in Megaphala Nibbana. Mega meaning way, right way in practice. Phala, gain the right destinations. When gain the right destination, the taste is the end of defilement. Nibbana. Can be said that Nibbana meaning the higher inner peace, because of far away from defilement to extinguish the defilement. That is a beautiful taste that called Nibbana.
Magga artinya jalan, jalan yang benar. Phala artinya tujuan, tujuan yang benar untuk mencapai akhir dari kotoran batin. Nibbana adalah yang tertinggi saat kotoran batin sepenuhnya padam.
The mental pollution can be said not beautiful word, but the simple English and very meaningful also. Mental rubbish. The Pali name is a Nivarana. English translation in hindrances.
Polusi mental bisa dikatakan sebagai kotoran batin, kotoran mental. Dalam bahasa Pali disebut niwarana, yang biasa diterjemahkan sebagai rintangan batin.
Our mind and the gold, the matter gold, mind and gold are very similar, because mind have the pollution or corrupting. Gold also have the similar corrupting. Gold are not pure, corrupted by iron, copper, tin, lead and silver. These all the other mineral, other material, the combination or get into the gold. Gold itself not bright. Also, gold are corrupted by these all the mineral. Gold is applicable not walkable, not radiate, not accept for the goldsmith, cannot get the beautiful ornament, not get in the high price in the market. Another one was that no one wear in the high class the most grand ceremony. Consequences.
Batin ini mirip dengan emas. Batin memiliki kotorannya sendiri, begitu pula emas juga memiliki kotorannya. Mineral-mineral lain yang membuat emas ini tidak murni, seperti besi, tembaga, kaleng, logam, dan perak. Material-material lain ini membuat emas tidak bersinar, tidak bisa dikerjakan atau dibuat perhiasan oleh pengrajin emas, mudah patah, dan membuat nilainya ini semakin rendah. Tidak ada yang memakai benda seperti ini, orang-orang kaya ataupun untuk acara yang besar.
Very similar this example. Our mind, number one, kama chanda, nivarana, sensual pleasure, desire, conquer or enter in your mind, become you not able to fulfill your mindfulness, concentration, effort. Because of this kama chanda, sensual pleasure, desire, hindrance, totally block, totally stop, totally destroy.
Sama halnya dalam niwarana, perintangan batin yang pertama, kama canda, yang berarti kenikmatan indriawi, kenikmatan sensual. Saat batin diselubungi oleh kama canda atau kenikmatan indriawi ini, tidak ada mindfulness, tidak ada konsentrasi, tidak ada usaha, semuanya terhalangi, terhenti, terhancurkan.
Number two, mental pollution or mental rubbish. Vyavara nivarana. Vyavara meaning evil, we call. Evil mean mind not healthy. Mind have a lot of angry and unhappiness thought. That is why this one also enter in your mind. You're not able to fulfill your mindfulness. You're not able to fulfill your concentration. You cannot use right effort. Totally this vyapara nivarana destroy, block, stop.
Mental polusi mental yang kedua atau kotoran batin yang kedua adalah vyapada, artinya niat jahat, di mana batin itu tidak bahagia, penuh dengan kemarahan dan kebencian, sehingga yogi tidak dapat mengembangkan mindfulness, konsentrasi ataupun usaha yang benar. Semuanya terhalangi, terhenti, terhancurkan.
Number three, mental pollution or mental rubbish. Tina metta nivarana paline, meaning sleepiness and laziness, or physical and mental both exhausted, physical exhausted and mental exhausted. This is a very powerful takeover to yogi mind many times. They enter in your mind. You're not able to fulfill mindfulness. You're not able to fulfill your concentration. You cannot raise your effort. Totally lost. This tinamita block, stop and destroy.
Polusi mental yang ketiga atau sampah batin yang ketiga adalah dinamida, yang artinya ngantuk dan malas, baik secara fisik maupun mental sudah kehabisan energi. Saat dinamida ini masuk dengan kuat, dia dapat mengambil alih batin yogi, sehingga yogi tidak dapat mengembangkan mindfulness, konsentrasi, ataupun usaha yang benar. Semuanya terhalangi, terhenti, dan terhancurkan.
Number 4, Nivarana, mental pollution, mental rubbish. Call the name Uddhacca Kukucca Nivarana. Restlessness and weariness. This restlessness and weariness are very powerful also. When they enter your mind, yogi, even though trying the best, but not able to fulfill mindfulness, not able to fulfill your concentration, even though difficult to raise your right effort. Because of this Uddhacca Kukucca, stop, block, destroy.
Mental polusi atau kotoran batin yang keempat adalah Uddhacca Kukucca, yang berarti gelisah dan tidak tenang. Saat kotoran batin ini masuk ke dalam batin, meskipun yogi sudah berusaha keras, tapi yogi tidak bisa mengembangkan mindfulness, konsentrasi, ataupun usaha yang benar. Semuanya terhenti, terhambat, dan terhancurkan.
And the last one, number 5, mental pollution or mental rubbish, is a Vicikiccha Nivarana. Vicikiccha Nivarana meaning very complicated, doubtful, especially Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha tripajanas. When they enter in your mind, at the present moment of fulfill for your mindfulness, your concentration, your effort, destroyed by this Vicikiccha Nivarana.
Polusi mental atau kotoran batin yang kelima adalah Vicikiccha Nivarana, yang berarti pikiran yang kacau balau, terutama mengenai Buddha, Dhamma, dan Sangha. Tidak akan ada mindfulness, konsentrasi, ataupun usaha yang benar. Semuanya hancur.
This is a roughly introduce you mental pollution or mental hindrances number 1 to number 5.
Ini adalah introduksi tentang niwarana atau rintangan batin 1 sampai 5.
These all fight together in your mind. Your mind are not gentle and not soft and not flexible, especially cannot fulfill in the Vipassana meditation practice. You cannot get the clear focusing to the object. Your mind are a bit very applicable, not walkable, very brittle. That is why these 5 nivarana are how dangerously attack to you most of the time. You should know exactly.
Kelima rintangan batin ini ada pada batin masing-masing yogi yang membuat batin tidak lembut, tidak fleksibel, tidak halus. Batin menjadi tidak mudah untuk dibentuk dan mudah pecah. 5 rintangan batin ini sangat bahaya karena dapat menyerang batin yogi. Anda harus mengetahuinya secara tepat.
You cannot see yourself. You not understand about your mind in these 5 conditions. You not easy to get the most beautiful mindfulness taste, concentration taste, alertness or right effort taste. Very difficult to get.
Para yogi masih belum bisa melihat dirinya sendiri, batinnya sendiri, masih belum bisa memahami 5 rintangan batin ini. Masih susah untuk melihat indahnya mindfulness, konsentrasi, atau usaha yang benar.
These 5 kinds of nivarana are one of the suffering maker. They make the human for the suffering are these 5 nivarana.
5 rintangan batin ini membuat penderitaan bagi semua manusia.
Similar in the daily life, where do you live? Your suburb or your area have a lot of murder, every time killing here, there, not really safe for your life, very dangerous. Similar, your suburb, your area is a lot of thief, robbery. Your property not safe, worry about all day and night. Another one in your suburb, where do you live? A lot of sexual misconduct, under 18, under 21, even though over. Husband also worry about wife. Wife also worry about husband. Girlfriend also worry about her loved one, that boy. The boy also worry about his girlfriend. Because of a lot of sexual harassment, a lot of sexual misconduct in the area. Not safe, especially young boys and girls, parents worry a lot. Another one, you live the suburb, the area is everybody, most of them are very lie and very rude speech, the way in talk. Also every time speak slandering speech, gossip, meaningless. So suffering. Another one, intoxicant, a lot of drink, a lot of drug, alcoholic and drug addict are everywhere. How hell on the earth. Think about it.
Sama halnya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari kita, di area lingkungan tempat kita tinggal, banyak terjadi pembunuhan, tidak aman, sangat berbahaya. Di tempat tinggal Anda, sekitar tempat tinggal Anda juga banyak pencuri. Properti Anda, kepemilikan Anda tidak aman. Anda mengkhawatirkannya pagi dan malam. Di sekitar tempat Anda tinggal juga terjadi banyak perlakuan seksual yang salah. Anak umur di bawah 18 tahun, di bawah 21 tahun, suami khawatir tentang istrinya dan sebaliknya. Cewek pacar yang wanita khawatir tentang pacarnya yang cowok dan sebaliknya. Banyak kegiatan seksual yang salah, tidak aman. Orang tua khawatir akan anak-anak mereka. Di sekitar lingkungan tempat Anda tinggal juga banyak sekali orang yang berkata kasar, menggosip, kata-kata yang tidak perlu, tidak ada meaning, tidak ada artinya. Di sekitar tempat Anda tinggal juga banyak alkohol dan narkoba. Orang-orang yang adiksi hal-hal ini. Neraka dalam bumi. Coba pikirkan hal ini.
If you're facing these 5 problems, you're not really happy that area, the suburb. You would like to move out. But if you not enough money, didn't find yet secure and peaceful suburbs, you're not able to buy or rent, you have to keep on living in that area.
Jika Anda mengalami 5 masalah ini, Anda tidak akan bahagia tinggal di lingkungan tersebut. Anda ingin keluar segera. Tapi jika Anda tidak punya uang, Anda tidak bisa beli atau sewa tempat lain. Anda harus tetap tinggal di sana.
In this retreat, Sarah used it already a few times. Investigate yourself. Research yourself. Investigation are very important. You have to investigate your mind. You have to investigate your body. Especially your mind are very important to investigate yourself.
Dalam retreat ini, saya sudah mengingatkan para yogi untuk menginvestigasi, untuk meriset diri sendiri, menginvestigasi batin, menginvestigasi tubuh ini. Terutama penting untuk menginvestigasi batin ini.
This Vipassana meditation is we can say as an education in all types of education in Vipassana. All different types, whatever in this world, how many universities in the world, all the education are in the Vipassana. For example, chemistry, one of the subject. Yes, Vipassana is accurate chemistry. How about physics? Oh, the best physics in the Vipassana. How about your mathematics? Wow, accurate, very present moment. Physical effort, mental effort, mindfulness, concentration. Very accurately we apply. Amazing. All subject, what you want to know. How about Sierra? In the galaxy, America called astronaut, Russia called cosmonaut. Yes, of course. Body had a lot of this understanding. External also 4 element, we also had the 4 element. What types of subject you want to know? Come on, all are in Vipassana.
Dalam meditasi Vipassana, kita dapat melihat berbagai jenis atau semua jenis edukasi dari berbagai universitas. Contohnya, kimia sangat akurat dalam meditasi Vipassana. Fisika juga termasuk dalam Vipassana. Matematika sangat akurat momen saat ini untuk diaplikasikan dalam mindfulness, konsentrasi, dan usaha. Semua subjek, semua pelajaran, bahkan termasuk galaksi. Di Amerika disebut astronot, di Rusia disebut kosmonot. Semua hal yang eksternal tercakup dalam 4 elemen. Semua subjek sudah termasuk dalam Vipassana.
Another one, would you like to know about army? Doesn't matter Navy, Army, Air Force. Mainly are protect for their country. Here you also say, this training is as a military training. You are the soldier. You have to kill the kilesa. You have to protect your mind, body. Similar as a military training.
Juga tentara yang melindungi negaranya. Sama halnya kita ini para yogi adalah seperti militer. Berlatih menjadi tentara untuk membunuh kilesa, melindungi batin dan jasmani.
Even though nowadays doesn't matter, ladies or gentlemen, many of them they like the football match, especially international football. Exactly, the Vipassana Lola as a international football match, better than that. Why? 2 teams fight all the times, non-stop. This evening I told you, Kusala, Akusala. Kusala is a white team, Akusala is a black team. International football match is the only season. Not all the time, not throughout the year. But this kusala and akusala fighting is a million, billion, trillion years, no one knows. When human beings started, no one knows accurately. But at the time, already these two teams are competition. Very popular. We had to watch all the times. You had to win white team, kusala. You may not stand with the black team, akusala.
Sekarang baik wanita maupun pria suka menonton sepak bola. Vipassana pun ini sendiri seperti pertandingan internasional sepak bola. Ada pertandingan atau pertandingan antara dua tim yang non-stop antara kusala dan akusala. Akusala ini tim yang putih, kusala ini tim yang hitam. Sepak bola itu pertandingannya hanya dalam musim. Tapi pertandingan antara kusala dan akusala ini terjadi jutaan, miliaran, bahkan triliunan tahun yang lalu. Tidak ada satupun yang tahu kapan ini mulainya. Lihatlah hal ini setiap waktu. Jadilah, beradalah pada tim yang putih, jangan berada pada tim yang hitam.
Another example, how about the business and company? 2,600 over years ago, Lord Buddha opened a very beautiful company. He's selling a lot of beautiful mental factors. All the Eightfold Noble Path, Four Noble Truths, Seven Bojjhanga, so many stages, so many steps, especially gain the Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami, Arahanta, who are the company in become very rich, 4 level. Buddha selling the marketing. We are now under to practice we want to buy this spiritual mental value, mental factors. You had to pay for your mindfulness, you had to pay for your concentration, you had to pay for your effort, you had to pay for your tolerate, and then after that really you pay off, you will get it.
Contoh yang lain dalam bisnis membuka usaha. 2600 tahun yang lalu Buddha membuka bisnis usaha ini. Beliau Sambhagawa menjual mental faktor yang sangat indah. 8 jalan mulia berunsur 8, 4 kebenaran mulia, 7 faktor pencerahan, pemasuk arus, Sotapati, Sakadagami, terlahir sekali, Anagami, dan Arahat yang sepenuhnya tercerahkan. Buddha menjual ini, marketingannya kepada kita. Para yogi sekarang mau membeli mental faktor tersebut. Anda harus membayar, para yogi harus membayar dengan mindfulness, konsentrasi, usaha, dan toleransi. Saat Anda membayarnya, Anda akan mendapatkannya.
In this world, 21st century, human beings are extremely stressed, pressure, anxiety, sorrowful, lamentation, great pain, so many mental problems. After that, many universities, they already educated psychiatrists, psychologists, but mental illness got day by day increasing every country, third country, first country, around the world, east and west. Communist society number are growing every day. So who has sorted out these problems? Who have the responsibility? Many presidents, many prime minister, many kingdom, but no one do yet. But Lord Buddha opened the company, is a Samatha and Vipassana, 2 companies are until now very popular. The most popular is a Vipassana company. Vipassana company joined by customer is around the world, every country have. And then they save mental illness. Psychiatry, psychology cannot. Psychiatry, psychology also commit suicide a lot.
Di dunia ini abad 21, manusia banyak mengalami stres, tekanan, kesedihan, dan sakit, dan banyak sekali masalah. Universitas mengedukasi banyak psikolog, psikiatris, tapi penyakit mental malah naik di berbagai negara. Di timur, di barat, angka bunuh diri semakin meningkat. Siapa yang bisa menangani hal ini? Presiden, raja-raja tidak bisa menangani hal ini. Buddha membuat 2 perusahaan, Samatha dan Vipassana. Vipassana terutama bisa untuk mengurangi penyakit mental ini. Psikolog dan psikiater sendiri pun juga banyak melakukan bunuh diri. Mereka tidak bisa membantu.
How to extinguish for the defilement? We cannot buy from the supermarket. We cannot buy from the branded, the most expensive, the most popular company. Doesn't have around the world. Only you have to enter the mindfulness mental training. Only one way.
Bagaimana kita bisa menghancurkan kotoran batin? Kita tidak bisa beli di supermarket. Kita tidak bisa beli di toko bermerek, bahkan yang paling mahal. Hanya dengan masuk praktek mindfulness. Hanya satu cara kita bisa.
Also, the Vipassana training or Vipassana practice is a look like you yourself investigate, looking to the what is akusala and who's in mind. What is nivarana? According number 1 to number 5, you have to investigate. That's when the Vipassana training, Vipassana practice is a look like you yourself as a police trainee. Because here, ladies and gentlemen, are policemen and policewomen. You have to.
Praktek dan latihan Vipassana, para yogi harus menginvestigasi. Aku salah. Batin yang negatif. Harus menginvestigasi apa itu niwarana 1-5. Jadi seperti pelatihan polisi. Anda semua seperti polisi.
In the 2008, 2009, 2010, I have the Bali retreat. Sometime in the Sangharaja Brahmavihara, sometime in the Sakyamuni, sometime in Asokarama. At the time, Pandit Attakaro, he joined my retreat 2-3 times. Especially in the Brahmavihara, he practiced. At the time, I think he already 72, 73. I look at him, he seriously practices sitting meditation, walking meditation, daily activity, very respectfully, very obey to teacher. Definitely after a few days, in the interview, he told me, Sayadaw, I am the policeman. I retire. After retire, before retire, I catch a lot of bad men, including bad women, similar in the suburb, who are the troublemaker. So many problems: murder, raper, drug addict, alcoholic. He said, a lot, I catch up. Handcuff. After he speak, and his face is become little long face. Tear, oh pity, drip from the eyes. But he very stable. He keep on talk. Sayadaw, thank you very much. You teach me. Now I vipassana meditation. Sayadaw, I know that my mind is a very naughty, very stubborn, very difficult to control. Most of the time I catch up. Similar like I was a policeman, I catch up the external enemy. Bad man, bad woman. Now in my mind there are hundred of impurity, bad men and bad women as a kilesa. Non-stop I fight and I'm trying to catch a lot Sayadaw. Very meaningful, very truth. That is why in this practice of self-investigation, you investigate your mind. What's the external police, how to look after the Sabbath area. Now you are only in your from head to toe, inside you find it. Hundred of kilesa.
...2008, 2009, 2010 saya ada mengadakan retret di Bali di beberapa wihara, Sangharaja, Sakyamuni, Brahma Wihara, Asokarama. Ada Bante Atagaro mengikuti retret ini 2-3 kali di Brahma Wihara. Bante tersebut saat itu umur 72 tahun. Jadi Bante tersebut setelah mengikuti praktek vipassana, duduk, jalan, dan kegiatan sehari-hari, setelah beberapa hari Bante tersebut berkata kepada Sayadaw, Sayadaw, saya ini seperti seorang polisi. Saya menangkap banyak orang-orang jahat. Ada pembunuh, ada pencuri, ada pecandu alkohol, pecandu narkoba, semua saya tangkap. Kemudian air mata menetes dari mata Bante tersebut, tapi Bante tersebut tetap stabil sambil berbicara, terima kasih Sayadaw sudah mengajarkan vipassana ini. Batin saya itu nakal, keras kepala, susah dikontrol. Sama halnya saya seperti seorang polisi, menangkap musuh-musuh eksternal di luar sana. Dan di dalam batin saya menangkap ratusan kilesa non-stop melawan mereka. Sangat bermakna. Oleh karena itu, para yogi, investigasilah diri sendiri ke dalam batin, layaknya seperti polisi. Anda hanya perlu menginvestigasi tubuh ini dari kepala sampai ujung kaki, ratusan kilesa kotoran batin.
Here, ladies and gentlemen yogis, all of you yourself look like as a policeman, policewoman. Every second, every moment, trying to protect your mind, trying to find out your mental kilesa, interests, defilement. You had to catch up. You had their own duty. If you very rich, you ran there. How many police officer? They cannot catch up. If you are very powerful lady, powerful gentleman, you pay money and approach Indonesia government. Hey, give me army security. How many soldier? How many captain? How many major? They cannot protect your mind. You have to protect yourself.
Yogi wanita, yogi pria, jadilah seperti menjadi polisi. Setiap saat Anda melihat, menjaga batin Anda masing-masing. Anda melihat kilesa, rintangan batin. Itu adalah tugas Anda. Jika Anda seorang yang sangat kaya, jika para yogi adalah seorang yang sangat kaya raya, Anda menyewa polisi, mereka tidak dapat menangkap kotoran batin. Jika Anda seorang yang sangat berkuasa, Anda memanggil para tentara di Indonesia, meminta pemerintah untuk mengirim jenderal, tentara, dan lain-lain, mereka pun tidak dapat melindungi batin Anda. Para yogi sendirilah yang harus melindungi batin Anda masing-masing.
Lord Buddha, he's showing thousands of examples. One example is one gentleman stand the edge of the pond, natural pond. But the pond are very clear water. There are no windy, very still. The pond itself not moist, not the water inside grass or any, no wave, no dust, very clear. And then the gentleman look at to the pond. He can see go through under the water ground. There are old leaf, old branches. There are village people, they throw the broken clay pot, seashell, not seashell, as a pond in have the shell, that snail shell. And the inside is a stay alive crab, prawn, fish. Oh, everything are very clear. Can see go through.
Buddha memiliki dan menunjukkan ribuan contoh. Salah satunya adalah ada seorang pria berdiri di samping kolam dengan air yang sangat jernih. Tidak ada angin, sangat tenang. Tidak ada rumput, tidak ada ombak, tidak ada debu sama sekali. Pria itu dapat melihat tembus ke tanah di dalam kolam tersebut. Dia melihat ada daun, ada batang pohon, ada orang yang membuang pot tanah liat, ada kerang, ada kepiting, ada udang, ikan, semuanya sangat jelas. Dia dapat melihatnya semua.
Similar, yogis, your mindfulness is just stand each of the pond, the gentleman, because of watching to the pond. Here your mind is exactly looking to your mind. Your mind is a little as a water pond. Mindfulness is watching the gentleman. When you seriously look at it, attentive mindfulness, when you see clearly 5 hindrances, 5 nivarana, doesn't matter. Your duty is keep on watch, sitting meditation, walking meditation, daily activity, very present moment by moment. Later on, 5 nivarana, one after another, they gone. And then your mind are so clear. You can see similar, the gentleman stand the edge of the pond. You can see A to Z clear. You will understand your mind.
Sama halnya para yogi, Dengan mindfulness, Anda lihat batin Anda dalam kolam tersebut. Batin Anda ini seperti kolam dengan air. Lihatlah dengan mindfulness, lihatlah dengan jelas. 5 rintangan batin, 5 niwarana. Tugas Anda adalah tetap terus melihat saat Anda duduk, berjalan, aktivitas sehari-hari di saat ini, momen demi momen. Sun, sebentar lagi 5 niwarana itu, 5 rintangan tersebut akan hilang dan batin Anda akan menjadi jernih, bersih. Seperti pria tadi yang melihat ke dalam kolam. Pelajarilah batin Anda.
Number 1, Kamacchanda Nivarana, sensual pleasure, desire, visible, sound, smell, taste, tangible. Too much. You want this and that, this and that. Because your mind are not clear. Look like as a magnifying color. Green you put in the glass of water, water change the green color. Clear glass of water, you put the red powder, red color, become change the red color. Because you put the yellow color, change the yellow color. Never ever get clear water. Similar your mind, visible thinking, sound for chit-chat thinking, sing and sound thinking. After that, smell for thinking, taste for thinking, tangible thinking. Every time, never ever get a clear water because of Kamacchanda, sensual pleasure, desire.
Niwarana yang pertama, Kamacchanda, keinginan sensual. Terlalu banyak keinginan sensual ini, hasrat sensual ini, seperti batin kita itu air yang jernih namun ditetesi tinta warna hijau. Air tersebut menjadi hijau, atau ditetesi warna merah. Air tersebut yang jernih menjadi warna merah, tidak pernah bisa bening. Melihat, mendengar suara, mencium, ataupun dari sentuhan fisik, tidak pernah jelas.
Number 2, Vyavara Nivarana. Vyavara Nivarana is English in evil. You thinking about angry thought, enemy, enmity, not happy, a lot of mental ill. These mental illness are similar like as water 100 degree or more than 100 degree become very bubbling, boiling. When the boiling water, you cannot see clear. Similar like just now, water are many colors, you cannot see clear. Similar here, boiling water, you cannot see clear image because of water it's bubbling, smoking.
Niwarana kedua adalah Byapada, di mana batin ini penuh pikiran marah dan benci, musuhan, tidak bahagia, penuh penyakit mental. Ini seperti air yang mendidih 100 derajat. Air yang mendidih, Anda tidak bisa melihatnya dengan jelas, dengan jernih. Sama halnya tadi, jika terlalu banyak warna, para yogi tidak bisa melihat dengan jelas. Air yang mendidih juga ada asap sehingga membuat batin tidak jelas.
Number 3, Tina Mida Nivarana. Sleepiness and laziness are cover the water in similar as a marsh. Some pond or lake, the surface is full of green, all the little water plant. They cover all. You cannot see the water. Similar Tina Mida Nivarana, sleepiness and laziness is enter your mind. Nothing to feel it. Visible, sound, smell, taste, tangible, mindfulness, concentration, everything becomes like as a blackout. Totally cover the water by much. Here also, Tina Mida cover your mind all.
Yang ketiga, Tinamida Niwarana, ngantuk dan kemalasan. Ini seperti kolam yang ditumbuhi rerumputan tanaman hijau, menyelimuti, menyelubungi semuanya. Tidak bisa merasakan, melihat, mendengar, mencium, mindfulness dan konsentrasi tidak bisa. Semuanya gelap.
Number 4, Uddaca Kukuca Nivarana, restlessness and weariness enter in your mind, similar in the water pond or water lake, dam. They are very windy. Windy itself make the surface of water a wave. One by one, meaning keep on moving, keep on changing. Even though you stand in the edge of the pond, lake, water dam, you cannot see your face, you cannot see inside of the what is a fish or crab or prawn, nothing to see. Similar, when you practice meditation time, Uddaca Kukuca, restlessness and weariness come. You cannot see what is mindfulness, you cannot see what is a concentration, what is a mental value, what is a wholesome mind, what is a kusala, akusala, or you cannot see. All are become blurred.
Yang keempat, Uddaca Kukuca Niwarana, gelisah dan tidak bisa diam, tidak tenang. Sama seperti kolam yang berangin, permukaannya terlalu banyak ombak, selalu berubah, selalu bergerak. Bahkan para yogi jika berdiri di samping kolam tidak dapat melihat wajah Anda sendiri. Tidak bisa melihat ikan, kerang, udang, dan lain-lain. Sama halnya saat meditasi, jika batin dipenuhi Uddaca Kukuca, tidak bisa melihat atau mengembangkan mindfulness, konsentrasi. Tidak bisa melihat mana yang aku salah, mana yang ku salah. Semuanya kabur.
And number 5, Vicikiccha Nivarana, very doubtful about practicing method, doubtful about schedule, timetable, very doubtful in teaching, at the same time very doubtful in Buddha, very doubtful in the members of community or order, venerable, how they bring the teaching, his teaching are right or wrong, I have to continue or I have to stop. So many doubts. These doubts are exactly similar in the water pond. Water pond itself, sometimes very sunny day, underwater all the mud, all the dust becomes slowly going up to the surface and make the water all become dirty, muddy, cannot see the clear water. Even though you stand there, you cannot see your face, you cannot see your body, you cannot see go through inside of the pond or lake or dam what is inside. Totally not able to see. Similar Vicikiccha, doubt is come, you cannot see your practice, mindfulness, concentration, effort, totally lost.
Yang kelima, Vicikiccha Niwarana, keraguan terhadap praktek, keraguan terhadap jadwal, ajaran, keraguan terhadap Buddha, ragu apakah ajaran ini benar atau salah. Keraguan ini sama halnya seperti kolam yang penuh lumpur atau pasir yang naik ke atas. Kolam ini sepenuhnya kotor dan berlumpur. Para yogi tidak bisa melihat wajahnya atau badan mereka, tak bisa melihat ke dalam. Saat batin dipenuhi Vicikiccha atau keraguan, yogi tidak dapat melihat mindfulness, konsentrasi, ataupun usaha.
These 5 kinds of nivarana, mental pollution or hindrances, able to release by the power of Asubha Bhavana, Asubha Nimitta, Kamachanda Nivarana for. Kamachanda Nivarana, sensual pleasure thought is exactly you have to apply in the opposite way. Or everything are suggested and decay, not truly beautiful, not really attractive, not really lovely. You have to think about opposite way. This contemplation exactly can release a sensual pleasure attachment.
5 niwarana atau polusi mental atau rintangan ini dapat dilepas. Yang pertama, kamacanda, kenikmatan sensual, dapat dilepas dengan asubha bhavana atau asubha nimitta, yang berarti melihat pelapukan hal-hal yang tidak indah. Dengan ini, kamacanda atau kenikmatan indriya dapat dilepas.
Number 2, Vyavara Nivarana, angry thought and happiness thought is that you have to apply the truly all equal for the metta, loving kindness.
Niwarana yang kedua, Bhyapada, batin yang penuh kemarahan, dapat dilepas jika para yogi mengaplikasikan cinta kasih atau metta kepada semua makhluk.
Number 3, Tina Mida, sleepiness and laziness are only can help that you are raise your right effort. Beginning effort, developing effort, fully grow effort, 3 stage. Beginning, developing, fully grow, you have to do yourself.
Rintangan yang ketiga, dinamida, ngantuk, dapat diatasi jika para yogi meningkatkan usaha yang benar, mengembangkannya, dan menguatkannya sampai ke puncak.
Number 4, Udija Kukuja Nivarana, restlessness and weariness. You have to apply the momentary concentration, moment by moment, your stable mind power, especially in this Vipassana, you able to release the restlessness and weariness.
Yang keempat, udaja kukuja niwarana, gelisah dan tidak bisa tenang, dapat diatasi dengan mindfulness, momen demi momen.
And number 5, Vijikacha Nivarana, the doubtful, complicated mind, not able to make the decisions. You have to apply in the Pali called Yoniso Manasikara. Yoniso Manasikara meaning wise reflection or proper considerations. Simple English and positive view. Very simple. You have very rich and positive view. You don't have doubt. You can able to see the cause and effect, understanding very well.
Yang kelima, Wicikicca niwarana, batin yang penuh keraguan, dapat diatasi dengan yoniso manasikara, yang berarti perhatian bijaksana, atau secara simpel dapat diartikan pandangan yang positif, pandangan yang benar. Jika para yogi memiliki pandangan yang benar, tidak akan ada keraguan dan para yogi akan mengerti.
Tonight talking to yogis, if I summarize, mind and good example. Mind has the 5 corrupted, polluted by nivarana. Good also corrupted and polluted by 5 other mineral. Another one is all the education, all the business, all the army, police, a lot of beautiful example. Remember Pandit Atthakara story. Another one, the water clear condition, not clear condition. Combination with the nivarana explanations. At the end, how to release the 5 nivarana.
Jadi saya Dao akan meringkas Dhamma Talk pada malam ini. Yang pertama, batin ini seperti emas, memiliki banyak polusi. Batin ini memiliki niwarana atau rintangan. Emas juga memiliki 5 polusi yang terdiri dari 5 jenis logam. Kemudian dari edukasi, bisnis, dan tentara, ingat cerita Bante Atakaro. Yang ketiga, penjelasan tentang air yang jernih kondisinya seperti apa. Dan dari 5 niwarana, 5 rintangan ini, bagaimana cara melepaskannya.
This 1 hour main talking about Nivarana are just little pick up the explanation, not yet each one in detail explanation.
Dalam 1 jam ini penjelasan tentang niwarana, ini masih penjelasan yang sedikit, belum detail.
Time is already 1 hour. May all yogis understanding about 5 Nivarana conditions, and may all yogi attentive fulfillment of mindfulness power, and may all yogi release the 5 Nivarana, and may all yogi gain the mental happiness from this practice.
Satu jam sudah berlalu. Saya sudah berharap semua yogi dapat memahami 5 niwarana, 5 rintangan batin. Semoga semua yogi bisa mendapatkan kekuatan mindfulness. Semoga para yogi bisa melepaskan 5 niwara ini, dan semua yogi bisa mendapatkan kebahagiaan.